I am here because there is a letter written by SP Crime, that is myself only, on 9th October 2020 to the SPs of various districts and SP of unit SIC to find out the status of criminal cases registered in their unit or the district, what is the status of the investigation of those cases, or what is the status of if those cases are charge sheeted, then what is the status of trial of those cases. So at the very onset I want to tell you something about the functioning of crime branch here. In other places crime branch is like they deals with heinous crime cases as the investigation unit. That work is done in Arunachal Pradesh by SIT. The crime branch of Arunachal Pradesh Police is like a state crime record bureau, SCRB. So we have not been designated as SCRB, but we act as a crime record bureau of the state. So whenever there is question of any record related to certain crime or anything at the state level, that entire thing has been recorded, kept in record at the crime branch. So there is a writ petition suo motu number 3 by 2020, the state of Assam and others. So in this regard, information was sought by our advocate general at Guwahati High Court, Guwahati, through Department of Home, Government of Arunachal, regarding the criminal trial cases against legislators. And these legislators included both sitting legislator and ex-legislator. Since the crime branch of PHQ, we have record of all the cases which are being registered anywhere in Arunachal Pradesh. So they have to send a copy to us and we keep the record. So we have the record of all the cases which were registered against the sitting legislators whenever they were sitting. Now they may be ex-legislator. So we have, after receiving this letter from government of that Department of Home, we have pulled out that data from our database and we have written to the SPs of various units along with the list of cases. We have the data of these cases has been registered against the legislator. Now what is the current status of the cases? So somehow that my letter and that list has been circulated at the various media platforms, and it is being considered that this letter or list is the response of government of Arunachal Pradesh to the writ petition in the Honorable High Court of Guwahati. So I am here to clarify that that letter which is in media is not the official response of government of Arunachal Pradesh in the writ petition number suo motu number 3 by 2020 in the Honorable Guwahati High Court. Since after that list has been circulated on the various media platform, we have been contacted by various legislators or maybe their representative that our case has been finalized in the court, why our name is on the list. So on that front also we want to clarify that particular list which is going on media is purely for internal circulation to update our record. So we have trying to fetch the information. If we will receive certified information from the courts that certain case has been closed through our district SP, so we will delete that case from our data list which we are maintaining here. In this particular instance, there is at serial number 3 in Capital Complex, please refer serial number 3, there is a case number 49 by 14 of PS Naharlagan under section 3 subsection 1 of Arunachal Pradesh Prevention of Defacement of Public Property Act 1997. So that case was charge sheeted by number 39 by 2014, dated 17 July 2014. So our record was updated that case has been charge sheeted. But today we have received a representation along with the copy of an order of the court which says that particular case has been finalized on 27 July 2014. That case has been finalized and accused has been discharged from the offence charge sheeted in that particular charge sheet. And finally I want to convey that after our record will be updated, we will send our response to the Honorable Guwahati High Court through the government, through the Department of Home, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. So if anyone has